Today we are going to study about integers in mathematics. What are integers? The numbers including positive, negative and zero are called integers. The numbers including positive, negative and zero are called integers. What are positive numbers? Positive numbers +1, +2, +3, +4, etc. All these numbers are called positive numbers. What are negative numbers? Negative numbers -1, -2, -3, -4, etc. All these numbers are called negative numbers. So, the numbers including these positive integers, positive numbers, negative numbers and zero are together called integers. The numbers including positive, negative and zero are called integers. What are positive numbers? +1, +2, +3, +4, etc. All these numbers are called positive numbers. That means these numbers have plus sign, and negative numbers -1, -2, -3, -4, etc. and 0. How can we add two integers, two positive integers together? Two positive integers together. For example, +15 +90. How can we add this? Add the numbers together. First add the numbers together. Here the numbers are 90 and 15. 90 plus 15 equal to 105. Then the sign is positive. Two positive numbers take here. It is +15 and +90. How can we add this? First add the numbers together, then put the positive sign. How can we add two negative numbers? For example, -21 -100. How can we add these two numbers? Here these two numbers have minus sign. 21 have -7 minus sign and 100 have minus sign. So here also add the numbers together. Here 100 and here 21. 100 plus 21, 121. Then what is the sign? These two numbers have negative sign, so here also negative. That is -121. That is the answer. So, how can we add two positive integers? First add the numbers together and then put the positive sign. Here, for example, here +15 and +90. First add the numbers together. That means 90 plus 15. We get 105 and put the positive sign. That is the answer. How can we add two negative numbers? Here the numbers are -21 and -100. Here also add the numbers together. 21 and 100. 100 plus 21, 121. Then put the negative sign. Next, how can we add one positive integer and one negative integer? Example, minus 200 and plus 100. Here two numbers are given. One number have negative sign and another number have positive sign. How can we add these two numbers together? Here these two numbers have different sign. So first find the difference of the numbers. Here the numbers are without sign, the numbers are 200 and 100. So first find the difference of the numbers. Difference means minus 200 minus 100 is equal to 200 minus 100 is equal to 100. Then put the sign of the greatest number. Here two numbers are given, minus 200 and plus 100. And the sign of the greatest number is minus. So I put here minus. That is the answer. So if two numbers have different sign, how can we find the answer? Or how can we add the numbers? If two numbers have different sign, first find the difference of the numbers. Here one number is minus 200 and another number is plus 100. The difference of the numbers 200 and 100 is 100. Then put the sign of the greatest number. Here the greatest number is 200 and the sign of the greatest number is negative. So I put here a minus sign. Once more, the number integers. What are integers? The numbers including positive, negative and 0 are called integers. The numbers including positive, negative and 0 are called integers. What are positive numbers? The numbers plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, etc. are called positive numbers, and the numbers negative, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, etc. are called negative numbers. So integers are the numbers including positive, negative and 0. Then how can we addition of two integers? How addition of two integers? How can we add two positive integers together? Here one example, the numbers are plus 15 and plus 19. How can we add this? First add the numbers together, because these two numbers have positive sign. So add the numbers together. You get 90 plus 50, 105. Then put the positive sign. Here two numbers have positive sign. So here also positive sign. So if two numbers have positive sign, add the numbers together, then put the positive sign. Next, how can we add two negative numbers? For example, here two numbers are minus 21 and minus 100. These two numbers have minus sign, same sign. That means these two numbers have same sign, minus 21 and minus 100. If two numbers have same sign, add the numbers together and put the given sign. Here minus 21 and minus 100. So add the numbers 100 and 21. So 100 plus 21, we get 121. Then put the negative sign. Then how can we add one positive integer and one negative integer? For example, minus 200 and plus 100. Here these two numbers have different signs. 200 have minus sign and 100 have plus sign. If two numbers have different sign, first find the difference of the numbers and then put the sign of the greatest number. That is the method. If two numbers have different sign, first find the difference of the numbers and then put the sign of the greatest number. So here minus 200 and plus 100 and difference of the number. That means subtract 100 from 200. You get 200 minus 100 equal to 100. Then put the sign of the greatest number. Here the sign of the number is greatest number is negative, so I put the negative sign here. That is the method. If two numbers have positive sign, add the numbers together and put the positive sign. If two numbers have negative sign, add the numbers together and put the negative sign. If two numbers have different signs, find the difference of the numbers and then put the sign of the greatest number. That is the method.